Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a really important bash scripting concept that will most likely come in handy. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this concept is going to be very easy. So it's going to be the how to add a new line. Okay, so first let me type new line. Okay, so vi new line.sh. Okay, so first we obviously need a loop for it, and I'm going to just use a for loop for, let's do x in 1 to 10. Do, let's say, echo this is line number x, and let's add it to a new file called um, number dot, or not number, line dot txt. And then let's add the new line. That's all you need to do. And now done. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Bash new line .sh. Now we are going to do cat no, not number, but what was it? Let's do a ls to see what we have. Okay, yeah, so it's going to be cat line.txt. Okay, so as you can see, we have line, this is line number 1, line 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a really important concept that is not very widely taught in bash scripting, and I thought it would be a really good idea to show you guys. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.